up, bodybuilding nation? It's your boy here.
It's your boy.
And now, guys, what is energy? We're about to get drunk.
Okay, you guys, so we are going to a cooking class to make ceviche, but right now we're at Kennedy Park. And I'm talking to my girl from Barcelona. Okay, we are here. We're going to do a cooking class. We're going to, it's gonna be fun. I'm excited to do a cooking class. I have never made ceviche before, so this is gonna be interesting. We're making ceviche, we're making Causa. I don't want to say it wrong. I think I'm saying it wrong. It's like a mashed potato dish. And then also, I think we're making Pisco Sour, or at least there's alcohol involved. That's what I do know. So, really excited, and this is the perks of solo travel, you guys. So if you are new here, welcome. If you are returning, thank you for supporting. And make sure you guys hit the subscribe, hit the like, because there are more to come, more travels, more experiences, more just everything. But welcome to a day of my life, living in Lima, Peru, where I do a little excursion every once in a while that I can. Just enjoy the weather. Give you guys a little quick outfit check. This is how we come in.
I don't have mine. So.
Guys, we're gonna start with the class with some instructions and then with a little dynamic, okay? Some instructions. Guys, if you feel thirsty, you can take some water from there. It's just filter water with a bit of fruits like lime and orange. Completely for you, okay? And it's for free. Let's start with the class, okay? Today,
Close. I checked.
I actually like the taste.
I just checked.
You have to taste test at the end, see as well.
I gotta taste your potatoes.
Yeah, it's gonna be less of a, yeah.
The water you have boiling with, you gotta blend it. With no seeds, no bacon, so it won't be spicy.
You do have spicy pepper back home.
I actually, I got
All this nothing.
Just
that
bunch
one
it.
in Cusco 2 days ago.
You may notice that the turkey they are rich. They're neat.
Yeah, oh, they're gorgeous, yeah.
Okay, guys. Now that you have added your salt, black pepper, and yellow pepper to your potato, it's time to mix. And the best way to mix all these ingredients, guys, is gonna be with your hands.
It's not spicy.
When you have your lime juice into your potato, let's start mixing it again, okay? And taste.
Delicious.
I wanted to create a recipe for my husband.
Mine's perfect.
My mom.
He's like, no, I'm good.
Free, right?
Blue chicken? Totally.
Yeah.
Delicious.
For sure. Guys, there's many other different kinds of causa. For example, as on Marseille, you can use tuna instead of chicken. As well, sorry.
How much is
We were using chicken.
That's
Yeah.
You're gonna mix it with your fork. Okay? Now it's time to mix it with.
Oh, so that makes, yeah. So.
I'm trying to do the least amount of makeup.
Oh yeah.
Oh, let me see. You can eye better. It's like nothing worse.
What's your
Guys, he wants me to eat more mayonnaise. I don't think I hate mayo. I just don't have a flavor for me to like, you know? Vlogging. Let me in it.
Very good, guys.
What's up, bodybuilding nation? It's your boy here.
It's your boy.
And now,
I did good. Actually, shocked that they just did it. Shocked. I'm like just shocked in this.
I'm happy with this. It has very little to no avocado. It's perfect.
how many of them do you eat in season?
How many eggs in season? Whole eggs, maybe
Like per day?
3 a day, 2 a day.
True.
But then I eat egg
oil.
whites, 100 grams of egg whites a day too.
Oh wow.
Yeah, just egg whites, like liquid. Say what?
Is it in this economy?
Yeah, I know, right? I'm like, I'm about to buy some here, take them back home.
Yeah, over here the eggs are pretty cheap.
Yeah.
No,
Like-
eggs are expensive in America.
But right now,
No, I mean here.
Oh, here, yes.
30 out like 20 so like it's like $7.
Yes.
Yeah.
I can get 30 eggs for $5.60 here.
I'm actually pretty
I
impressed.
feel like at this point,
That,
Yeah, but
Such a good job.
this is my wonderful teacher.
Good job.
Can you go stand over there?
This is the eggs.
There you go.
It's a heart-shaped chicken. Now I need eggs.
Perfect guys, now it's time to add the last detail for our causa.
There's
Oh,
more.
that's great. That's great.
Okay guys,
It's a vlog.
over here, just a
Oh,
second.
cool.
Guys, enjoy your causa.
It's a vlog.
It's a vlog.
y justo pues necesitaban apoyo en eso y yo
Pisco Sour. Of course, what else gonna be more than Pisco. Okay? Pisco Sour is a 6 ounce in the table.
Time for main dish, making ceviche.
Then you're gonna be adding the ingredients to the shaker. Okay, so as you can see, you have a 3-part shaker. You have a cup, you have a filter, you have a glass. So let's disattach all the parts from the shaker, and we're gonna keep the glass first. Okay. Today I have a different shaker than yours. I have a 2-part shaker. This shaker is called by pressure. Okay. So this because right now there's gonna be a chemical reaction between the lime juice and the egg whites. So there's gonna be a lot of pressure inside your shaker. In other words, it can explode. But don't worry. We have some paper towels over there, we're gonna be completely fine. Okay? Can you use your half to the glass, okay? Just the half. Like this. Go for it. Let's start with half. And now with the rest that we have indoor shakers, we're gonna shake it a little bit. So all the foam, all the liquid gonna get together once again. And if I serve it for a second time, it's coming out white. That's all the foam that I've made pouring into the cocktail that I'm doing today.
Yeah, I don't think I did quite half, so. Not bad.
Oh my days, absolutely unbelievable.
That's beautiful.
Perfection. Creamy deluxe.
That's perfect. Good job.
Very
The
nice.
drink looks great.
So I want you all to follow me, okay? Okay. So everyone, arriba!
Arriba.
Guys, what is the energy? We're about to get drunk. Arriba!
Arriba.
That's right. Abajo.
Abajo.
Al centro.
Al centro.
Un sexy movimiento.
Ese es mi movimiento.
Y adentro.
Adentro. Salud.
Oh, that's good.
It's good.
We can mix. It's good. It's good.
And guys, this is almost a protein shake. You know, you have egg, you have
It's convincing.
wine and flavor.
He's convinced me to drink it again.
What's in your LSD and salt?
They don't know. I know it's in everything we eat.
Monosodium glutamate is different than your NaCl.
That's right. Monosodium gluten.
Don't ask me big questions. Ask her big questions.
Oh yeah, there's chemistry involved.
No exchange Doritos.
Over
Not in the
here
United States, at least.
in South America, we call it Ajinomoto. Because Ajinomoto is a company that sells the MSG.
MSG.
We call it that way. As well, here in South America, we don't get it from the different ways, like in America where usually they got it. We got it from the sugar cane. So it's way more natural.
Ah, natural MSG.
Natural. This is like sugar cane, but over. That's it.
Mix and match. What
So-
makes a true chef.
As here in Peruvian kitchen, we use it a lot. Today, we're gonna use a lot as well. Okay? We're gonna get the Pisco.
It feels like home.
We're gonna.
We're going for spice now. A big one and a medium one? I don't know. Whatever you recommend.
We'll go with these two. There you go.
Okay.
One or two?
He wants to eat one.
Two and then one to try.
Yeah. He has Pisco, he'll be fine.
Like it now.
How?
No, you got to try
So that
one.
one half. He ate it. How was it?
Delicious.
You're sweating.
I'm just nervous. We're expert chefs next to me, you know.
Honored.
Oh, fuck that. Ain't no way.
With our lemon pepper slices into our bowls, what we're gonna do right now, with our spoons, we're gonna start chopping it. Okay? We're gonna start chopping our lemon peppers, and once we
I feel like this would be
Don't watch Fergus, just watch me. He doesn't know what he's doing.
Outrageous. Halfway through the cook.
how we're gonna cook it. If you cook your fish too small, with the ingredients that we are using today, you're gonna get over it. Okay? You're gonna be like gummy. You're gonna be awful to it. If it is too big, you're gonna be honored. You're gonna be waffle. So we don't want none of those. So today we're gonna use 2 of our fingers. I'm gonna use your fish, okay? And we're gonna put it on the edge, okay? On the edge of our fish fillet, like this. And we're gonna cut it by there. So 2 fingers wide gonna be the best way to cook your fish for today.
Don't cut yourself.
I know you think that you know me, but you ain't even seen what I'm dark inside. It's twisted for you only, so baby do me right, do me right. We can go all time, we can move fast and rewind. When you put your body on mine and collide, could be one of those nights, but we don't turn off the light. Wanna see your body on tonight. 5 in the morning.
Raw fish, but not in totally.
It's always the British. They're not the right ones.
The acid of lime cooks
Pretend.
everything.
Not you, no, not
You
you,
just
no,
tried
not
to
you.
squeeze stuff up this way.
You said no the other way. So
In the Pisco Sour,
You give me eggs.
I was doing it this way. You said flip it.
in the Pisco Sour, the white egg is cooked by
For
the
each
lime.
200 grams of
Ah,
you're gonna be almost 4 limes.
Interesting. I didn't realise.
Who wants to be the first one too?
You first?
Go for it, guys.
rookie.
How dare you? I'm offended.
I'm like, is it a rookie word?
Great.
Yeah.
And then I'm going to like Argentina.
I am here at Kennedy Park, and Kennedy Park is known for its cats. I will say that it is over, the class is over. It was so much fun. We had a great time, but look at these kitties. Hola. Hola, gatos. I want a cat now.